Guys, welcome to my video and we are gonna go to school. Not bringing the phone because I'm only grade 2. So this is my first video of wearing my uniform. I am my clothes and shirt, but I already have the clothes on and you cannot see my So let's go to starting and my video. And I love you all and thanks for all this. First step, I'm gonna wear my I wish it was jogging pants, but yeah. Wait, bro, cannot see properly. This one, right here. So y'all, I'm gonna wear it. So y'all, I'm not gonna bring the phone. It's literally 11:10. So I'm gonna go in school at 11:35, and I'm gonna end this video at 11:20 because I need to never mind. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video of 11:20. I'm not gonna go to school at 11:20, just 11:35. My school start at 11:50. So yeah, let's go. So I'm sorry if I'm slow because I'm very slowy. And this is the hard part right here. This is the most hard part I cannot do. Only my parents. So my dad is already in the work, and my kinder brother is already in school. He got in school at 10:45 or 40. Yeah, sometimes that time. So I need to be fast because I'm gonna do not doing it by my own because I don't know how to do my own. Only my parents can do, but my parents can't do. So someone's adopt. No, someone is um yeah, someone is taking care of us. That's not like Laura or Laura. Just a girl. That's my. But I already call him. That's not even my mom. This one. I'm gonna tada my hair. Like, tada! So yeah, just wait. And I'm also gonna do my shoes. If guys, I'm gonna end the video later because it will be a good day today. Okay, I'm already done in this thing. So next, the most hardest part, this. I'm gonna tada or something if I cannot take it out. Where's the side? But I cannot even do it. Okay, let's tada. 1, 2, 3. Tada! So yeah, guys, here's my uniform. So I'm gonna tada my uniform. Not right here yet, just here. And my ID. If you want to see my ID, just 1, 2, 3. Tada! So yeah, here's my uniform, but this bruh. I'm gonna also not tada my shoes because it will be easy. Okay, here's my ID, guys. My ID. If you were in my school, this is my name. You cannot see it, please just CHLOE, Chloe. And if you were in Lanzones, that you should know me. I'm the Chloe girl that is quiet, but I don't speak because I'm an English girl. So yeah, let's go. So y'all, this is I'm gonna go through my shoes because not my hair because that's very hard. Let's get my shoes. Wait. Okay, no. Guys, I just not cannot tie my shoes yet because I don't know how to learn it and I'm so bad. So yeah, guys, so yeah, gonna use. So I'm gonna change my hair now, but I don't like to do that yet. So I'm gonna do my face first. Then I get these items, cologne and baby powder. That very fast. So first that I use my baby, my baby powder. Yeah. Be faster. Oh my god. Look like an angel, look like an angel, talk like an angel, talk like an angel. Bro, there's not leaking. Bro, there's not even. It's already broken. Just look. You cannot then go out all of them. And then this side right here, I'm gonna also do my lips. It just looks beautiful, and I'm gonna. If I'm done, I'm gonna. I did the shower, so you know. I'm gonna know. So yeah, I'm gonna do this every day. Okay. Next, we gotta do right here. Oh my gosh, you got him. Try again. Hello, I'm Zoom. Hey, yo, I'm looking like the that witch. That's white. Oh god, okay, but I look like Snow White. Oh my gosh. Just get it. I look like Dora. Okay. Next, we're gonna use baby alcohol. What is this called again? Bang bango. Let's put it everywhere and I can smell. But I don't have. Let's put some hair in my hair. Okay, next we're gonna do my hair. I don't like to do that yet, so I'm gonna just wait me there. So I think the others can know what I'm gonna do. Brush my teeth, of course, because my breath smell bad. But So y'all, this is what I'm gonna do. Wash my face in the room without with this. If you're a Filipino, this you know this thing. If you're not, you don't know. It's tabo. So I'm washing my face because it's nasty. Smell bad. I'm joking. So yeah, next I'm gonna do my hair. Just wait till the end. It's o'clock. I'm gonna be late at school. It's almost 30. So I'm gonna be fast because I'm gonna end. Let's do my hair. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So y'all, here's the I'm gonna post this video and I need to watch it because I'm gonna be late for school. I'm gonna be fast. Here's the. Okay, bye bye guys. Love you all. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like the video. Do not forget. Bye bye.